Hi guys, welcome to another brand new video. I hope everyone is fine. Today we have to learn about railway track construction. Hope you all will like this video. Okay guys, without wasting any time, let's get started. Guys, let's clean stones from track. Did you guys know? The first full-scale working railway steam locomotive was built in the United Kingdom in 1804 by Richard Trevithick, a British engineer born in Cornwall. This used high-pressure steam to drive the engine by one power stroke. And the first railway line in the world dates back to 1825, when George Stephenson connected the towns of Stockton and Darlington in England by rail. The line was intended to transport coal. The wagons were pulled by steam engines. Passengers were transported by horse-drawn carriages. Guys, that was nice. We do a good job. What we need to do next? Let's load sand on truck with crane. Let's talk about cranes. Crane is a type of machine, generally equipped with a hoist rope, wire ropes or chains, and sheaves, that can be used both to lift and lower materials and to move them horizontally. It is mainly used for lifting heavy objects and transporting them to other places. The device uses one or more simple machines to create mechanical advantage and thus move loads beyond the normal capability of a human. Cranes are commonly employed in transportation for the loading and unloading of freight, in construction for the movement of materials, and in manufacturing for the assembling of heavy equipment. And the first known crane machine was the shadoof, a water lifting device that was invented in ancient Mesopotamia, modern Iraq, and then appeared in ancient Egyptian technology. Construction cranes later appeared in ancient Greece, where they were powered by men or animals, such as donkeys, and used for the construction of buildings. Larger cranes were later developed in the Roman Empire, employing the use of human treadwheels, permitting the lifting of heavier weights. In the High Middle Ages, harbor cranes were introduced to load and unload ships and assist with their construction. Some were built into stone towers for extra strength and stability. The earliest cranes were constructed from wood, but cast iron and steel took over with the coming of the Industrial Revolution. Guys, that was nice. We do a good job. Next, let's throw sand on construction site. People also ask, why do we use sand on a train? Why is sand used in locomotives? The locomotive uses a neat trick to increase the traction. In front of each wheel is a nozzle that uses compressed air to spray sand, which is stored in two tanks on the locomotive. The sand dramatically increases the traction of the drive wheels. And the modern trains still use sand because it is now universally accepted that sanders are an important part of ensuring that trains stop in the correct distance, although adhesion-related incidents still happen and there is still room for improvement. We do a great job. Next, let's using road roller plane sand on track. You guys must know, what is the function of a road roller? A road roller, sometimes called a roller compactor, or just roller, is a compactor-type engineering vehicle used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, or asphalt in the construction of roads and railway track. Similar rollers are also used at landfills or in agriculture. How does a roller compactor work? Road rollers use their weight to compress down the surface of the asphalt. The process of compression down can be either static or dynamic. In static compression, guys, that was nice. Next, let's pick stones with excavator and load them on truck. An excavator is mainly used for an excavator by digging trenches, holes, and foundations, providing the power to do these tasks much more easily and effectively than any other piece of heavy equipment on the market. An excavator, sometimes called a digger, is a piece of heavy construction equipment. Excavators are used to dig in the ground or to move large objects. At the base of the machine, it usually has two tracks to move it. Above the tracks is a platform that rotates 180 degrees or 360 degrees. The operator sits in a cab and controls the excavator. One set of controls moves the machine forward and backward. Another set of controls operates the arm and the tilting bucket. Hydraulic fluid, hydraulic cylinders and hydraulic motors control the machine. Did you guys know how strong is an excavator? A mid-sized excavator handles 6 to 10 metric tons, or 22,046 pounds, and the standard, or full-size excavator is equipped to lift up to 10 to 90 metric tons, or 22,046 198,416 pounds. We do a great job. Let's throw stones on track. What happens if you put a stone on a train track? These are two solid steel plate fixed with cattle guard. Those plate are fixed just above the rail track on locomotive. If anything small place on railway track, then it will throw that out of the railway track. It is the first layer of safety. You guys know why do train tracks have gravel? The crushed stones you see alongside railroad tracks are what is known as ballast. Their purpose is to hold the wooden cross ties in place, which in turn hold the rails in place. We do a good job. Next, truck blower provides a wide and high range of flows for loading and discharging dry bulk products from tank trucks including sand, fly ash, powders, flour, sugar, cereal grains, pebble lime, plastic pellets, and more. We do a good job. Next, let's using road maker throw road material on track. We do a good job. Next, let's using road roller plane the road material on track. The road roller used for engineering vehicle that commonly used to compact soil, gravel, concrete, asphalt or other materials in road construction, airport or port foundation work, at landfills or in agriculture, commonly road roller made of. It causes materials such as asphalt, gravel, and dirt to become uniformly compressed and level. Typically, a road roller is comprised of a roller body and at least one metal drum. Sometimes, a road roller may have 2 or even 3 drums, depending on the project. We do a good job. Next, let's using slab machine place the track bars on track. People also ask what is the purpose of railway track slab. A ballastless track or slab track is a type of railway track infrastructure in which the traditional elastic combination of ties, sleepers and ballast is replaced by rigid construction of concrete or asphalt. You guys know where slab track is used. Slab track, also called ballastless track, is a modern form of track construction which has been used successfully throughout the world for high-speed lines, heavy rail, light rail and tram systems. Slab track technology offers proven higher performance in service and a longer life than traditional ballasted track. We are all complete. Hope you guys liked the video. See you in the next video. Love you all.